Let me show you how to change the Instagram Notes color. This is a new feature, so if you're not seeing it yet, you might want to update your Instagram app. Now, for this to work, we need to update Instagram to the latest version because this is a fairly new feature. So if you haven't already, just go through the process of updating Instagram on your iPhone or Android. If it does give you an update option, just go through the process of updating it. Again, they just rolled out this feature. So wait until Instagram is finished updating, and then from there, you'll be able to go in and change that note's color directly in the Instagram app. So just wait until it fully installs here, and then open it up. Now they redesigned this a little bit. Now the message is at the bottom center. And from here, you can see share a note at the top left. So if you go through and say, hi, how are you? But you wanted to change that color, you're going to tap on that little pencil icon there, and you'll be able to see a number of different colors. I can change that color to whatever I want. And after I've done that, you'll be able to see it will be blue, and I can hit share, and now that note color is changed.